Today we're talking to Professor Alexander Maas, Associate Professor at the Department of Organisation and Personnel Management at RSM. Hello. In one of your classes you asked your students to investigate plastic recycling on campus. Can you tell us a bit more about the project?
The project was an intervention project. I'm doing for change studies something on intervention skills, and I wanted to have them worked on this particular issue because I needed a case. And to be honest, I was very worried for more than 2 years about this terrible thing what was happening in the restaurant. As a citizen, I know how to split my waste in several ways. And here in the university, I don't see it at all. And the reason, of course, is the Rotterdam area where they don't do these kind of things. So I asked them in 11 groups, please think of an intervention how to improve waste, plastic waste split here at the university.
So there was a personal reason for you bringing the subject to your students. Is there a deeper reason for incorporating it?
One of the greening chairs, Johannes Kramer, he did his thesis, and during the defense of his thesis we took him to try to solve this problem. Mm-hmm. And he couldn't. Although he was for 1 year the chair of greening at that moment. He couldn't do that, and that was for me the reason, wow, this is maybe a very good question for students to let them think about what happens. And to be honest, I hoped that they would start with themselves, but as could change agent, they thought we have to change the others. That was big.
So Greening RSM has always been a strong advocate of bringing sustainability themes into coursework at RSM, and some professors already do this, but we've heard that some are finding it difficult to incorporate sustainability. If you're not teaching, for example, corporate social responsibility, how have you found it?
I don't do it theoretically, because that is not my piece of cake, and I try to make a bridge for the students as well. And the bridge is, for me, to find something which is very close to them, and where they think, oh, so easy, I really could solve it within a minute. And I know that it is not easy. And they find in the process, which lasted 1.5 weeks, they found out that it was more complex and chaotic than they thought it was. We don't do presentations at all. We have now 3 hours to discuss what we found. I bring you in a certain round-the-table conference, mm-hmm. and in the end, in groups of 3, in 3 groups you present the outcome to one of the people here of the university who was there. That is the moment that you make the bridge between what they found, which is most head work, and what they can bring with their heart into practice.
Do you think they took on the idea, they understand that the process starts with me?
Yes, no, I start the whole course half a year ago with change start with you. So they say, oh, Mr. Maas is talking again, so they recognized it immediately. But it was too late.
Okay, that's great.
That's very difficult.
Thank you.
You're welcome.